Hello, I just received this brand new Missouri Star and a bolt box. Here's the box inside the box. I also received this. It was a 3-yard pre-cut and I think I paid $15 for it, just under $15. Now for the fabric. A surprise. This looks great. Looks like a lot. So it's supposed to be almost 20 yards. I think my first box was very close to 20 yards. My last box was like 19 and it was a black box of batiks, which I said batiks, but I was heavily corrected. It is batiks. Okay, so here we go. Okay, this first one was Regal Rose by Maywood Studio. This one feels almost like a really soft, tiny corduroy, but I'm not sure. It says flannel on it. It's very pretty. It's like an eggplant with flowers and writing all over it. I honestly can't read what the writing says. Where the Wind Blows Flannel by Janet Nesbitt of One Sister Designs. This is cotton. I don't see a designer on it. It's very pretty though. The pink really stands out next to that blue. Red and pink. I love this. Strawberries. Timeless Treasures fabric of Soho. That's beautiful. Red Wallpaper it's called. This one is called Red Wallpaper. The fabric is designed distressed with printed imperfections. Kind of has a historical feel to it. This little piece of grayish blue. Oh, it looks like wood. Greens with florals. Farmstead by Moda. Dark blue with light blue leaves. This is so pretty. I don't see any designer on it. Just a solid white. Red and tan. A blue multicolor print. This is truly an endable box because a lot of them do not say what collection they're from. My first one, almost every piece said what collection it was from. Gray solids, cream solids, purple, this is cute, this is so adorable. This would be great for the sunroom throw pillows or maybe on the deck. There's a fire pit, canoe and paddles. It says paddle and unwind. That's the perfect summer pattern. Winter pattern, greens and acorns. Winter in the Pines by Jackie Robinson. That's pretty. Blues and florals. Oh, I had this in my first box, but I only had a tiny piece. So I'm really happy to get another piece to put with that. Dr. Seuss. Purple. A larger piece of white solids. Purple solids. Pink and white. This is a tiny piece. I don't know what I could do with this. Not much of anything, but maybe for patches. Little patches on something. Cute. That's so cute. That's like part of a book. Not much you can do with part of a book. I love this. That's so cute. And there's another piece of that. Little bunnies and chicks. This is Date Night by Moda. These are really, this is pretty. It looks like lace. The pattern looks like lace. It's a cream. Looks like a white. That's a beautiful fabric. Blue. Stripes are a favorite of mine. I would love a bigger piece of this. This is beautiful. Farmstead. This and this together would make the cutest something, wouldn't it? Table runner, pillowcase. That's so pretty together. Looks farmy style. For summer and fall. These are really bright. They really, the sunflowers on these really stick out. More strawberries. That would make a really cute tote bag. This green is from the Stonehenge collection, I believe. That's pretty purple. That's a great size piece. I'm not the biggest purple fan, but this is beautiful. Very soft. Green, not my favorite, but I'm sure there will be a need for it somewhere. I like this green much better. Pink solid. This is beautiful, this red. I have been wanting to make a red and white quilt, so I just need to collect all my little pieces of reds. I would put that with it too. Reds and whites, and make a quilt one day. You see all those beautiful red quilts? That's pretty, bright and vibrant. Baseball, for little baseball fans. I think I received that in my first box too. Solid yellow, and it's not really yellow, it's like a greenish yellow, almost. This is beautiful. It would just be nice if we knew the collection, because then we could reorder if we liked, like reorder bigger pieces if we liked it. This is like blacks and grays. This is a white with a design in it. That's pretty. A blue floral. Stonehenge, this one is also called. Earthy. It could be beachy. Oh, this piece is going to be my favorite. Isn't that adorable? It's my favorite piece in the whole box. Little lambs. And horses and barns and tractors. Oh, and cows and pigs. That's so cute. That would make a really cute baby quilt. And this tiny little scraggly leftover piece. Oh, there's some great pieces in here. Some I don't know what I would do with. But that's it. That's my 20-yard surprise end-of-bolt box. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.